Hey trade lovers, welcome back to Practical Import-Export from start to finish. Today we're breaking down CFR cost and freight, the rule that shares costs and risks between buyers and sellers. If you're exporting from Bangladesh or importing goods, stay tuned. You'll learn how CFR works, why it's risky for buyers, and how to use it smartly. Let's jump in. What are Incoterms? Incoterms are global rules that explain who pays, who takes the risk, and who handles the work in international trade. They're like a quick guide for contracts. CFR is popular with exporters like in Bangladesh because sellers arrange the shipping, but buyers handle the insurance. CFR explains simply, the seller pays to deliver goods to the destination port, that is Hamburg. Risk transfers to the buyer once goods are loaded onto the ship at the origin port, which is Chittagong. Insurance? It is the buyer's responsibility. Bangladeshi exporters' role: production and export clearance. Transport to Chittagong Port, pays for ocean freight to the destination. German importers' role: buys insurance. Handles import duties and transport from Hamburg Port. Real-world example. Dhaka Textiles Limited exports 15,000 shirts to Munich Retail GmbH under CFR Hamburg. Seller, that is Dhaka Textiles, produces shirts and trucks them to Chittagong Port, pays export fees and freight to Hamburg. Buyer, that is Munich Retail, buys insurance. Takes ownership once shirts are loaded in Chittagong. If the ship hits a storm, 500 shirts are ruined. The buyer has to bear the loss if he does not take insurance. Caution for Bangladeshi exporters. Clarify CFR port in contracts, that is CFR Hamburg. Warn buyers to never skip insurance. Caution for international buyers. Insist on all risks insurance. Budget for hidden costs, port congestion, customs delays. CFR versus CIF versus FOB. Comparison: CFR, seller pays freight, buyer arranges insurance. CIF, the seller pays freight and insurance. 4B, buyer takes over at the origin port. CFR is cheaper for sellers but riskier for buyers. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more trade tips. Let's grow your global business together.